Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add apps to your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom just like this and you'll see your app list. Then just hold down on the app you want to add to the home screen. So let's do YouTube Music for example. There will be an option to add a home screen. Just tap this and it's added to your home screen. Then you can hold down on it and drag it to a different slide. Now another thing that you can do is a little bit easier is if you hold down on the home screen, then go to settings. This is my home screen settings. You can make it larger too if you want to see your apps a little bit easier. Well, let's go on down. It says show app screen button on home screen. So you can just do this, turn this on, and then there will be an app screen button on your home screen somewhere. And you can just tap it to open up your apps. Now I don't see it anywhere, so is it right here? There it is, boom, the bottom right. So it replaced my camera. So there's a few different options here that make it a little bit easier. Oh, that wasn't it. Now there's another option that says add new apps to home screen. So anytime you download a new app, it will automatically be added to your home screen. So that could be useful. And then here's one down here that you might like. Swipe down. Okay, so there's some good ones on here. Hide apps on home screen if you want to hide anything. And I think there's one more home screen layout. This is where I want to go. It says home screen only. So if you switch this to home screen only, your home screen is going to be listed on here. Then you just have to swipe right. It'll display all your applications on your here. And you don't have to swipe up from the bottom to get it. It'll just show this screen now. So your app list is going to be replacing the other screens on your home screen. And then you'll just have one home screen where you can just move stuff. But then you swipe right, it'll be your app list. So this is kind of nice. This is kind of how iPhones are laid out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.